like it here, Luis? Hey guys! Alright! Welcome to my vlog. You like it here?
Yeah, I'm going to JRL.
It's a foggy day. Yun nga guys, kami inside dito sa may main room natin. This is one of the unique places na napuntahan ko na resort, guys. So this is the actually only parang kids theme main room sa mga resort. So let me give you a tour. This school bus right here is actually a double deck na bed. SpongeBob SquarePants. Dito sa second level naman niya, what is this? It's like yeah, SpongeBob din. So don't get confused, guys. Ang mga double deck na mga to, accommodate mga adults. Ayan, so pwede din yung mga adults dyan. Dito sa opposite side niya, parang apat na double deck. Para siyang ganun, no? The first level is also a bed. Dito sa second level natin, you can actually, ito, gamitin ng stairs na to. On the right, meron siyang bed. And then on the left, meron din another bed. And then dito sa first level naman na portion na to, again, another bed. So all in all, meron tayong 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14 individuals na pwedeng matulog dito. Aside from that, you can actually extend it. Meron mga additional mattress po dito. But ako, ito yung talagang natuwa ako dito. This is the only kids theme na room talaga for resort. So in the middle, meron tayong mga beanbags. We also have other toys. Look at this playpen. Ayan, no? So kung may yung mga toddler, mga crawling infant pa lang yung mga ano, pwede sila dito, hindi sila makakawala dyan. If you need privacy naman, so we have a separate room outside dun sa main room natin that looks like for kids. So this is actually a separate room for couple. Ayan, if they want intimacy, di ba? This room actually can accommodate 2 adults, 1 kid, pwede yun. And then, meron siyang sariling comfort room. Here. What's up, guys? Villa Salta Private Resort. Thank you. You guys having fun? Peace out. So we're all packed up. That was an experience. Grabe, ang sarap ng experience namin. Did you enjoy, Luis?
Yeah.
Alright.
Kobe is sad.
Yeah, bye.